Hello, my name is Jack, and today I'm going to be telling the story of how I crashed on my second ever driving lesson. Well, really, I didn't crash. I got crashed into. Somebody else crashed into me. So, this was only about 1 month ago. I was doing some driving lessons because I need to learn how to drive. And I had already done some lessons, but years ago, when I first turned 17, I did a couple of lessons, but I didn't like my teacher. So I ended up stopping doing the lessons. And then I went to university and didn't need to drive. So I didn't do any more lessons. But now I have finished university and I need to learn to drive. So that's why I'm doing my lessons. The first lesson went really well. It was really good. I remembered a lot and I was pretty good. I was pretty good at driving. A little bit fast, but pretty good. On the second lesson, we went and did a little bit harder things. We were doing hard things, but it was okay. I was doing okay. I made a few mistakes, but it was okay. But when I was driving home from the lesson, I was coming up to a roundabout where you drive around, like in a circle, and I want to turn left. I'm coming and I'm going to turn left. So when I get to the roundabout, I'm going to turn, but a car starts coming. And I think there's enough time. I have time to just round the corner really quickly. But my instructor sees the car and he says, stop. He says, stop. So I stop. And then when I stop, another car is on the right-hand side of me. And he has tried to drive up the side. So I'm here and he has tried to go up. But I have stopped and he kept going and went and hit the back of my car. Only a little bit. It was, and then it was okay. There was no damage, but they definitely hit. There was a small scratch on the car. The paint was swapped a little bit. But the guy didn't even stop. He went and then drove away really quickly. So 100% his fault, not my fault at all. I'm a really good driver. Kind of. I'm okay. But yeah, that's the story of how I got crashed into on my second driving lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me in the comments below, have you ever crashed a car? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.